Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate the steps and apply them to your browser. So as I said, let me open the browser, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to, you can remove some of them manually one by one just by tapping on the X button right next to it. However, if this list is for sure too long to do that manually, I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything, and here we can change the time range from last hour to even all time. It's up to you. Just mark it and then tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed whole history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.